Looking for a budget-friendly laptop that can handle everyday tasks, light productivity, and even some AI features? Today we're checking out the Acer Aspire 15A15-51M, a sleek, modern laptop powered by Intel's latest Core 5 processor. Let's see if it's actually worth your money. Starting with the design, the Aspire 15 comes in this clean iron color with a minimal, professional look. It weighs around 1.77 kilograms, so it's fairly portable for a 15.6-inch laptop. The build feels solid enough for daily use, and while it's not premium metal all around, it still looks modern and practical. You're getting a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a matte finish, which is great for reducing glare. However, this is a TN panel, so don't expect amazing colors or viewing angles. It's perfectly fine for work, browsing, and watching videos, but not ideal for creators or designers. Now performance is where things get interesting. This laptop is powered by the Intel Core 5 120U processor with 10 cores and 12 threads. For everyday tasks like browsing, Microsoft Office, streaming, and even light multitasking, it handles everything smoothly. You also get Intel integrated graphics, which means casual gaming and light editing is possible, but don't expect high-end gaming performance. It comes with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and a fast 512GB NVMe SSD. The storage is great, fast and responsive. But the 8GB RAM might feel limiting if you're doing heavy multitasking or editing work. The keyboard is comfortable for typing, but there's no backlight, which might be a downside for some users. You do get some useful features like a Copilot key for quick AI access, a precision touchpad, and indicator lights for caps lock and MIC mute. Acer claims up to 10 hours of battery life, and in real-world use, you can expect around 6 to 8 hours depending on your workload. That's decent for a laptop in this category. In terms of connectivity, this laptop is well equipped. You get USB Type-A ports, a USB 4 port, HDMI, and Wi-Fi 6 support. So whether it's connecting external displays or fast internet, you're covered.